welcome to Occupational Therapy 226, Assistive Technology, High Tech, and Low Tech. My name is Melisa Kaye, and let's get started on this two-part lecture. Part 1 of 2. Our learning objectives today involve describing the range of assistive technology, also abbreviated AT, used by OT in pediatric practice. We're going to look at both low tech and high tech and be able to differentiate between the two. We're going to identify the role of the OT when working with children and AT, and also identify a piece of technology that's related to the case study that you're focused on for some of your assignments. So what is assistive technology? Well, it is any item, piece of equipment, or product, system, whether acquired commercially, modified, or customized, that is used to increase, maintain, or improve functional capabilities of individuals with disability. Now, that is a huge mouthful. Basically, it's the stuff that OTs use to help individuals who have a range of disabilities. Getting assistive technology can be super cheap. You can make something out of what you have laying around in your house, or it can be very, very expensive. So funding sources for assistive technology are important to know about. We can look at private insurance and Medicaid, grants, private foundations or community organizations can provide AT, school districts, self-pay, in other words, out of pocket, or others. And there's some information in the presenter notes for you. First up, low-tech devices. So low-tech devices, what characterizes them and defines them is that there's no electronic component. They tend to be easy to purchase, generally easy to maintain, the cost is usually minimal, and here are some examples: a pencil grip, a reacher, a brace or splint, or a head or mouth stick. So here are some examples of pencil grips. And, it's important to know that OTs are often considered the stuff therapists. We bring a bunch of stuff. And in school-based practice, teachers sometimes will be like, can't you just give them a pencil grip? What we want to really focus on is looking at the child's grasp pattern and determining what is not functional, and then carefully selecting the appropriate kind of pencil grip so that it assists that child. The same pencil grip for everybody in the class, yeah, if you give them like the ones that are on the left that are just foamy and make the pencil softer, sure. But a pencil grip that's going to actually really enhance that child's grasp pattern and writing, that is something that requires the skilled intervention of an OT to actually provide. I'm vehement about pencil grips. Reachers are another product. Let me just get rid of that. Another product that we might recommend for kids. And as you can see, the reacher on the left is a little bit more sophisticated looking. The one on the right is a little bit more kid friendly. And they're used to extend one's grasp. We also recommend mouth sticks or head sticks. So for the child that has some upper extremity paralysis or lack of function, they can either wear a stick on their head or put a stick in their mouth, and it can be used to augment communication or to point. All right, next up is high-tech AT, and I'll see you right back here in just a couple minutes.